Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI prompts in Photoshop to extend the background of an image. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is have the image you want to use prepared, downloaded, or whatever. Once you have that, you basically want to open up Photoshop and you want to drag and drop it in the Photoshop basically. Once you have added it, you want to select C to enable crop, and then just let's extend it to the right. Then you want to go to this tool and select it. Always make sure to select a little bit of the background as well. And then you have a few options. You can just click on generative fill. If you don't type in anything, it's just going to generate something based on what's already in the background. As you can see, we need to wait a few moments so it loads up. As you can see, this is what it generated, and you also have different pictures, so you can choose the one you like the best. But if I were to do the same thing, select it, generative fill, castle with a river, for example, and then click on generate, is going to create me potentially a castle with a river. Now let's wait a few moments to see what would happen. As you can see, it has now created a castle. Now there is no river, unfortunately, in some of these examples, but what you can do is extend it even more and play around with it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.